Good morning, children. Today we'll start with chapter 25 of your grammar book, that is adverbs. So children, adverb word itself tells that the word which adds something to the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. So when a word adds something to a verb is what? It is the action which is done. So when we add something to that action, that becomes the adverb. Okay? So an adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. Like, look at these sentences. The bird sang sweetly. Now in this sentence, the word sang is the verb, right? And the word sweetly tells how the bird sang. So sweetly is what? Sweetly is the adverb here, as it is adding meaning to the verb sang. Okay? As I told you, an adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. Now let's look at the next sentence. The bus stopped here. Now in this sentence, stopped is the verb, right? And the word here tells where the bus stopped. So here is what? Here is the adverb. Okay? It is adding meaning to the verb stopped. Next, he came yesterday. Now in this sentence, came is the verb and yesterday is what? It is adding meaning to the verb came. Yesterday tells us when he came. So yesterday is what? It's an adverb. Okay? So, sang, stopped and came are what? These are verbs. And the words sweetly, here and yesterday are what? They are adverbs because they are adding something to the meaning of the verbs sang, stopped and came. So these words sweetly, here and yesterday are what? They are adverbs. What are adverbs? An adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. Now children, adverbs give you the answers of questions like how, when, where and how often. Now first we will look at the how adverbs. How adverbs are what? They are the adverbs of manner. So adverbs of manners are also called what? They are also called how adverbs. Now children, adverbs of manner tell us how or in what manner an action is done. Now look at this sentence. The baby slept soundly. Now first of all, identify the verb in this sentence. The verb is slept, right? And the word soundly tells how the baby slept. How the baby slept? The baby slept soundly. Okay, so here the word soundly tells how the baby slept. Now because it is answering to the question how, we call it what? We call it adverb of manner. So soundly is an adverb of manner. Next, the athletes ran fast. Now here the verb is the word ran. Okay? And the word fast tells how the athletes ran. How the athletes ran? The athletes ran fast. So fast again tells us how the athletes ran. So fast is what? Fast is an adverb of manner. Okay? Next, the teacher explained the poem clearly. Now here, explained is the verb, right? And the word clearly tells us how the teacher explained the poem. How did the teacher explain the poem? The teacher explained the poem clearly. Okay, so clearly is what? Clearly is an adverb of manner because it is telling us how the teacher explained the poem. Okay, children, so in these sentences, soundly, fast, and clearly are what? They are the adverbs of manner because they are describing how certain actions are done or in what manner or in which manner certain actions are done. So children, remember that adverbs of manner gives answer to the question how. How certain actions are done or how something has happened. Now, most of the adverbs of manner, they are formed from an adjective by adding ly at the end of the adjective. Like bad. Bad is an adjective. Now we can form adverb of manner by adding ly to the word bad. So we can form adverbs by adding ly to the adjective. Similarly, loud. Now by adding ly to the word loud, it will become loudly, which is an adverb of manner. Similarly, bright. Bright is again an adjective. Now when we add ly to it, it becomes brightly, which is an adverb of manner. Neat, neatly. We have added ly to the word neat to make it an adverb of manner. Brave. By adding ly to the word brave, it will become what? It will become bravely, which is again an adverb of manner or how adverb. Next, sweet. Sweet will become sweetly by adding ly, which is again an adverb of manner. Now, sometimes we may even have to change the spelling slightly before adding ly. Like for example, simple. Now here, the word simple ends in e. So to change it into an adverb, you have to drop this e. You have to remove this e and just add ly, simply. So e is gone. Now simply, simply. Same is for true. True is again ending with e. So we will remove this e and just add ly in place of e. So it will become truly, which is an adverb of manner. Lazily. Now the word lazy is ending with y. Now here, this y will be removed and we will add ily. Lazily. So it will become lazily. Easy. Easy is again ending with y. So this y will be changed into ily. Easily. Happy. Again, y we will remove and instead of this y we will write ily. happily. Happily. Angry. Y will change into ily. Angrily. angrily. Okay, so sometimes you have to change the spelling slightly before adding ly to the word. Then there are some adverbs of manner which do not end in ly. For example, fast, hard, well. Okay, so these are examples of certain Adverbs of manner which do not end in ly. Okay? They are fast, hard and well. They are adverbs, but they do not end in ly. So we have some adverbs of manner which do not end in ly. Now let us see where the adverbs of manners are placed. Now let's look back to exercise B. Look at these sentences once again. The baby slept soundly. The athletes ran fast. The teacher explained the poem clearly. Now, soundly, fast, and clearly are what? They are adverbs. They are adverbs of manner. Now we have to see how the adverbs of or where the adverbs of manners are placed. So children, you can see that the adverbs of manner are placed after the verb they describe. Look here. The baby slept soundly. Slept is the verb and soundly is the adverb which is placed after the verb slept. Right? Similarly, the athletes ran fast. Now here, ran is the verb and fast is the adverb. Right? So here also you can notice that the adverb is placed after the verb. It is describing. Next, the teacher explained the poem clearly. Now here also, explained is the verb and the adverb clearly is placed after the verb it is describing. So you can notice that adverbs of manner are placed after the verb they describe. Soundly describes the word slept. How the baby slept? Soundly. How the athletes ran? Fast. How the teacher explained? Clearly. Okay? I hope it is clear to you now. Now look at this sentence. He spoke angrily. Spoke is what? Spoke is the verb. Right? And angrily is what? Angrily is describing how he spoke. It tells us how he spoke. So children, you can see that here also the adverb angrily is placed after the verb spoke. Okay? So, we have learnt that adverbs of manner are placed after the verbs they describe. Now look at this sentence. He spoke in an angry voice. Now here, angry is what? Angry is the adjective and voice is the noun. So, adjectives are placed before the nouns they describe. Do you remember where adjectives are placed? They are placed before the nouns they describe. And adverbs are placed after the verbs they describe. Now let's look at the exercise. Underline the adverbs of manner in the following sentences. Circle the verbs which they are added to. Okay, so first we have to spot the verb and then we'll identify the adverb. So let's see. First, the driver drove the car dangerously. Now here, drove is the verb and the word dangerously tells how the driver drove the car. So dangerously is the adverb of manner. Next, Rohan knocked at the door gently. Now, knocked is the verb here and the word gently tells how Rohan knocked at the door. So, gently is what? Gently is the adverb of manner. Next, couple slept soundly. Now here, slept is the verb and the word soundly tells how couple slept. So, it is the adverb of manner. Next, do your work carefully. Now here, do is the verb. Okay? And the word carefully tells how you should do your work. So carefully is the adverb of manner. Next, the lion roared fiercely. Now, in this sentence, roared is the verb. And the word fiercely tells how the lion roared. So fiercely is the adverb of manner. So I have done the first 5 for you. Now children, in the next 5 sentences, you will underline the adverbs of manner and circle the verbs which they are added to. Okay? So the next 5 sentences you will do on your own. Now come to page number 81. Here you have to make adverbs from the following adjectives. So the adjective is real. Now you have to make adverb from this word. So to make it an adverb, we'll add ly to it. So it will become really, which is an adverb. R-E-A-L-L-Y, really. Next, greedy. Now here we will add I-L-Y to the word greedy. Y will be removed, okay? And in place of Y, we'll add I-L-Y. So it will become greedily. Next word is quiet. Now, to make it an adverb, we will just add ly to it. Quietly. Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y. Quietly. Next, careful. Now, to make it an adverb, we'll add ly to the word careful. So it will become carefully. Next, cheap. Now, here we'll just add ly. So it will become cheaply. Okay? C-H-E-A-P-L-Y. Cheaply. Next word is sincere. Now, in this word also, we'll just add ly. So it will become what? Sincerely. Sincerely. Then next is wild, lazy. Then we have heavy and angry. This you can do on your own. Okay? See whether you will add ly or ily. Okay? At places we have to remove y and instead of y we have to add ily. So just see. Okay? Do it on your own. The 4 parts which are left. Okay children?